Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool amazing right here in my hand, and basically what this is an extendable selfie stick that you can use for your action cameras. And you can see on the top part here, they include that option for you guys to use it for your cameras as well if you guys want to. But let's open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, that's what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so first thing you see inside, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. Next up, you guys can see they provide you guys these accessories right here that you can use. So this one you guys don't have to use it unless you guys are planning to use it for like your other devices, maybe like your regular camera, point and shoot cameras or whatever. Or if you guys have like your own phone mount, you can also put that on here as well. Otherwise, you just use it for action cameras. But right here, we have the product. So it does come with a wrist strap in right here. And then this part right here is where you guys want to put in the action camera. And for this product, like I mentioned, it is a selfie stick. So you guys can actually extend it. So it can go from like 21.6 inches to 71 inch. If I pull it out, you can see what I mean. Alright. So you can go that far, if you can see. So this is around 71 centimeters. So you can definitely get a pretty far coverage when you guys use the product, if you guys want to use that far. So you can see the product itself is pretty compact, so you guys can actually use it when you guys are traveling if you guys want to. And basically the way how you guys pull it out to lock it or unlock each part is by turning it. So if you guys turn it left, that's locking. If you guys turn it right, that's how you guys loosen it up. So just like this. And you pull all of it out. If you guys want to lock all of it, just turn it left for all of them. And now if you guys push it in, it won't go in unless you guys turn right on all of them. So right, right, right. And now just push back in very easily. And then the way how to design this part here is a non-slip design. So when you guys are using it for vlogging or doing water sports, you definitely can use it for almost any kind of scenario because of the non-slip design right here. And the way how to design this part right here, you guys actually rotate it 180 degrees, like all the way down this way or all the way down this way if you guys want to. And then see at the bottom right here, they do have an option for you guys to plug in another tripod if you guys want to, which is not included. So if you guys want to use the option, you do need to purchase it separately. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually take out my GoPro and put it on here to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we got my GoPro right here. So you just want to put it inside right here. Make sure it fits into the hole. Once it fits inside the hole, then you can use the option right here to screw it in. And then once you guys have it all set up, this is basically what it looks like. So if you guys want to adjust this part, just loosen it up a little bit. And that way you can move it forward or backwards like this really easily. If you guys want to keep it there, just lock it back in, make it tight, and it's all set. So let's say I'm going outdoors or doing vlogs or whatever, I can definitely use like this. And if it's too short, I can always adjust it really easily. And if I want to keep it right here, I just turn the left on all of them. And that way actually locks all of them in. And now I can actually do vlogs like this or do selfies as well. And like I mentioned for this part here, if you guys want to adjust it, you definitely can. Because right now it's not pointing at me. So I can definitely adjust it by loosening it up and push it down towards me. That way the camera is facing towards me when I'm doing vlogs or whatever, if you can see right there. And obviously when you guys use it, you probably want to put on the strap for the wrist strap right here to actually get extra security. And that is basically how you guys use the product. You can see, pretty straightforward and very easy to use the product. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we look at unboxing and testing out the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a portable and compact selfie stick that is extendable and also give you guys the option to use it for both action cameras and also for your regular cameras as well. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.